Meaning of fro.
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 Fro. The word fro is a shortened version of the word afro, which refers to a hairstyle characterized by tightly curled hair that is allowed to grow outwards from the scalp. The style was popularized in the 1960s and 70s as a symbol of Black pride and identity. Today, the afro hairstyle remains a symbol of African culture and heritage. It is often worn by people of all races and genders as a fashion statement or a way to express individuality. The term fro is sometimes used informally as a nickname or shorthand for someone who wears an afro hairstyle.